Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to use the registered icon in Google Docs. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Docs and it should be said that I have two options for this. On the one hand I can go to the menu item Insert and Special Characters. Here I change the symbols from arrows to miscellaneous and can already find the registered symbol here. If I don't see it directly, I can find it here by using the search function. To insert this icon, I simply click on it. The second option is to go to the appropriate place in the document and enter the following shortcut: opening bracket, R, closing bracket. And as soon as I have entered this, the registered symbol is also inserted here. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.